Hello student, myself Dr. Rachna Pathak, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. The topic of today is regression analysis, regression lines of y on x and x on y. Firstly, we know about what is regression. The term regression stands for some sort of functional relationship between two or more related variables. Regression is the estimation or prediction of unknown values of one variable from known values of another variable. That means, if we know the value of x or y, that is 1, 2, 3 and y is 4, 5, 6, with the help of the regression we find the value of y, with the help of value of y the value of x, and if we don't know about the value of y, with the help of y the value, with the help of x we find the value of y. And now we write about regression curve. If two variables x, y are related, then the scatter diagram will be more and less scattered around the curve. This curve is called a curve of regression. That means, that is a curve, this is a x axis and is a y axis, and the point scattered around this curve. This curve is known as curve of regression. Regression equation. The mathematical equation of the regression curve is called regression equation. Linear regression. We know that what is curve regression of curve, and if the all points scatter around the line, straight line, this curve is called line of regression. That is, when the points of the scatter diagram concentrate around a straight line, the regression called a linear, and the straight line is known as the line of regression. There are two types of line of regression, y on x and x on y. When x is independent, we use y on x, and when y is independent and x is dependent, we use line of regression x on y. And now find the line of regression y on x. We know that here x is independent, y is dependent. To obtain the line of regression of y on x, we shall assume y as a dependent variable and x as independent variable. The equation of regression line of y on x can be written as y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. What is y bar x bar? Y bar is a mean, is represented by summation y upon n, and x bar is equal to summation x by n. Here byx is the regression coefficient. Regression coefficient byx is written as n summation xy minus summation x summation y upon n summation x square minus summation x ka whole square. Here n is the number of pairs present in the equation. Let if we have 3 pairs, that is x is 1, 2, 3 and corresponding y is 4, 5, 6. That is, there is a pairs of x y is 3 and is equal to 3. B the regression coefficient and also can be written as byx equal to r sigma y upon sigma x. What is r? R is a regression, is a correlation coefficient, and sigma x sigma y are the standard derivation. Standard derivation, that means sigma x square is equal to 1 by n summation x minus x bar ka whole square and sigma y square is equal to 1 by n summation y minus y bar का whole square, and r is given by, it is summation x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n summation sigma x sigma y. Similar way, we find the line of regression x on y. Here y is independent, x is dependent. So, we can write the equation as x bar is equal to, always remember that is x on y and y minus y bar. As usual, x bar and y are the mean value of x and y, and b x y is the regression coefficient along the line x on y. The value of b x y also can be written as b x y is equal to n summation x y minus summation x summation y upon n summation x y square minus summation y का whole square, and also can be written as r sigma x upon sigma y. In previous we studied b y x is equal to r sigma y upon sigma x, when y on x and then x on y, that means sigma x upon sigma y. Okay. After knowing the what is regression, what is the equation of regression lines, we solve the problems. Obtain the line of regression y on x for the data given below. Here x is given and y is given. What is n? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is n is 5. Find the equation of y on x. So, firstly write the equation y minus y bar is equal to b y x, x minus x bar and the value of b y x. We know the value of b y x in the form of summation x y, and we do not know about the value of x bar, y bar and summation x y and summation x x y. For the finding this value, we draw the table like this, where x y, x y, x square, x y. Okay. Here x is given, y is given, x square is the square of 1.3 square is 2.3409, and x y is x is multiplied by y is given at 51.255. In similar way, we find the value of summation x adding all values of x, summation y adding all values of y, summation x square adding all values of x square, summation x y adding all values of x y. Putting all this value in the form of b x y here, and summation x y minus summation x summation y upon n summation x square minus summation x ka whole square, and we find the value 9.726, and also find the value of x bar is summation, we know that x bar is summation x by n. What is summation x? Is 12.28 and n is 5, and divided we get the value is 2.456. In similar way, we find the value of y bar is equal to summation y upon n is equal to 209.1 upon 5 is 41.82. After knowing all the values, we find the equation y on x, we write the equation again b y x, x bar and x bar, and put the value of y bar, where the value is y bar is 41.82, b y x value is 9.726, and x bar is value is 2.456. Putting this and solving the equation, we find the required solution. It is y is equal to 17.932 plus 9.726 x. And now we solve the second problem. For 10 observations on price x and supply y, the following data were obtained. Here summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, summation x y are given, and obtain the two lines of regression. We always remember the question of line of regression and estimate the supply when price is 16 unit. Firstly, we say that price is x, supply is y, okay, and here they are given that price is 16 unit, that means x is given, find the value of y. We use line of regression y on x. So, firstly we find the line of regression. For this, what is n? N is 10. X bar is x by summation x by n, x bar is given 130 upon, that is x bar is equal to summation x by n, summation x is given 130, n is 10, that is 13. Similar way, we find the value of y bar is equal to summation y upon n is 22. After this, we find the coefficient of y on x, that is y b y x. We know the r values of, we put the r value, we know that summation x summation y minus summation x summation y upon n summation x square minus summation x ka whole square. We know the r values, and putting this here, and we get the value is 1.015. Similar way, we find the value of bxy. Bxy is n summation xy minus summation x summation y upon n summation y square summation y ka whole square, which is 0.9114. And now the equation, what is line of equation? Y on x is y minus y bar byx x minus x bar, and second is x minus x bar bxy y minus y. Put the value of y bar, x bar, byx and x bar, y bar, bxy, we get the line of equation, that is first is 1 y is equal to 1.015 x 8.805, and second is x is equal to 0.9114 y minus 7.05. And now after the finding the two lines of regression, we solve the other problem. Here is what the value of y when x is 16 unit. Here x is independent, y is dependent, we use the line of regression y on x, that is y minus, equation is y minus y bar b yx x minus x bar, and we have the value is, after the putting these values we get 1.015 x plus 8.805. Here x is 16, put here 1.015 into 16 plus 8.805, and solve we get 25.045 units. Okay. And we have third problem. This is the application of regression analysis. Here a panel of two judges A and B created 7 TV serial performance by the awarding marks independently as shown in following data table, where marks by A and marks by B. What is the problem here? The A TV performance which judge B could not attain was awarded 37 marks by judge A. If the judge B had also been present, how many marks would be accepted to have been awarded by him to the 8th TV performance? Use regression analysis of answer this question. There are two choices. We know that there is two line of equation, x y minus y bar byx x minus x bar, and second is x minus x bar bxy y minus y bar. Here two variables A and B. We find the value of B when A is 37. The marks given by A is 37, what marks is given by B? To 8. For this, if we assume A is x, if A is x, that may find a value of y. Here x is independent, y is dependent, so we use this equation. If we choose A is y and B is x, that means here y is independent and x is dependent. We use x minus x bar. It is our choice, we use one of regression of equation. Here we use regression line of regression y on x. So, we choose here, let the marks awarded by judge A be denoted by x. We choose A is x and B is y. That means x is independent or y is dependent. We use line of regression y on x. This is y minus y bar is equal to b y x, x minus x bar. For this, we find a value of b y x and y bar x bar. Okay. Find the value of b y x and x bar. We draw the table like this. That is, the x is x is here. What is n? Firstly, what is n? Here given is n is 7, not 8, because 8 value is also fine. So, here n is 7, n is 7, and adding the all values of x, summation x is equal to 301. All values of y, summation y is equal to 266, and multiply x y y is 8, 1 is 46 is 40 multiplied is 1840, and adding all these values we get summation x y is equal to 11459, and x square is always known that 4x square is 2116, and similar we find all x square, we find a value, and adding this summation x square is equal to 12971, and putting all these values in the coefficient of y on x, that is n summation x y minus summation y upon n summation x square summation x ka whole square. Putting this, we find the value is b y x is 0.75, and regression line of given as y minus y bar is equal to b y x, x minus x bar. Putting all values of y bar and x bar and b y x, we get the equation is y is equal to 0.75 x plus 5.75. This is the required line of regression, and now find the value of b, that means value of y when x is given as 37. That means the marks given by judge A is 37, and also find the value the marks given by judge B. So, putting here x is 37, here y is equal to 0.75 into x is 37 plus 5 plus 75, we get that y is equal to 33.5 marks. That means, if B is present, the marks given by B to 8 is 33.5 marks. Okay. In this lecture, we study about what is regression analysis, what the line of equation, and how to use in the application of regression analysis. And firstly, we know about regression. Regression is a relationship between two variables, and also we know that, and again repeat here, that is, if x y has two pairs and the relation is given, this relation is known by regression, and if the pairs, and we know draw the graph, the point is this is xi, yi, it is x1, x2 and draw the curve. This curve is also a linear or non-linear. This curve is a straight line, is called linear, otherwise curve is called non-linear curve. Here I also know about what is the line curve of regression. The R scatter point around the curve, this curve is called the curve of regression. After knowing the what is curve, what is regression, we find the equation. What is regression equation? And we know that what is curve, and we write this curve in the form of mathematical. This curve equation is known as regression equation. And after this find what is linear regression. Linear regression is the equation of straight line. Here we find the line of regression y on x and x on y. It is simple because in previous study we had y is equal to mx plus c with the equation of straight line. If we have 2 points x1 y1, x2 y2, we write the line of equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. In similar way, this is also a line of equation. That is y1 y1 equal to byx, x minus x bar, bxy and by. Always remember that the 2 points, that if we study upon yx, the regression coefficient is byx, and when x on y is x on y. Okay. In solving the equations in regression lines of y on x and x on y, always remember what is dependent, what is independent. When we study line of regression y on x, here y is depend on x. That means of all values of x is, we can find the value of y, that is x is independent and y is dependent. And similar way we study an x on y is dependent, independent and x is dependent. So, we write the equation as y is equal to y bar is equal to b x minus x bar. Here b is replaced by bys with a regression coefficient. And what is y bar? We say that y is the mean, y bar is, if we know the value of y and sum it, we get, and divided by n number of pairs is, we get the value of y bar, and x bar is summation x by n. We also find the value of byx by n summation x y minus summation x summation y upon n summation x square minus summation x ka whole square. And if we do not know about the value of this summation x, and we have the value questions when x and y is not given, only mean and standard derivation is given. When mean and standard derivation is given, we use this relation. What is R? R is the coefficient of correlation, and sigma x, sigma y, that is sigma y and sigma x is standard derivation of y and standard derivation of x. And the value of R is given by R summation x minus x bar y minus y bar and sigma x sigma y. Always remember what is byx, what is sigma y, what is sigma x, what is R. And we find the value of x on y similar way. We always remember where the coefficient is bxy. X minus x bar is equal to bxy, by minus y bar, and the value is given. We have only different here what is b y x in here is b x square and b x ka whole square. Here b x y is summation y square and summation y ka whole square, and b x y when mean and derivation is given, we find the value of coefficient of x on y is r sigma x upon sigma y. We after knowing the value, what will do? We will solve the problems. What is the problems here? We always study here is the find the value regression of y on x. Here firstly after solving any problem, firstly know what we want the question. Here y on x, that we firstly write what is y on x, the equation first write down y is equal to y bar b y x x minus x bar, and second step is what is n, count here 1 2 3 4 5, that is n is 5. After this we know write the equation for b y x. b y x equation is written as, after that we firstly write the equation, second is write the equation n, third is b y x. After knowing this, writing this equation, we draw the table like this x y x square x y, and always remember what is here the mistake by the student, what is x square. X square, this summation x square is not only x square the sum, that is the after individual square. 1.53 square is 2.3409, 1.78 square is 2.168. After squaring, finding the value of a square individually, we sum all this value, we get summation x square. In similar way, we product of x and y is 51.255 and 1.78 is 64.611, and after finding the value individually and sum it. And after finding the value of summation x, summation y, summation square, summation x y, putting in the equation, we find the value of b y x is 9.726, and putting these values in the equation, y minus y bar is 41.82 and b y x is 9.726, x minus x bar, and we get the required solution. And in problem 2, what we will do in problem 2? Here n is 10, x and y. That means we find the value of line of regression. First we write the line of regression is y on x and x on y, and solving it and find the value of coefficients and put this the equation of line of equations, we get the values of line of regression. And the second is what is the value of x, x is 16, what the value of y, put the value of x in the equation, we find the value of y. And the last problem we have solved it, when the values a is given, what is the value of b, firstly solve the line of equation and find the values of corresponding this, that is a is given, that when a is given, that is a is independent, and find the value of b. Putting this equation which have choices, if not given, find the value of regression y on x, x on y, we have choice what we use. We use line of regression y on x or x on y. If we line of regression y on x, put a what is independent and what is dependent. Here a is independent, we use b is a is dependent, b is independent, we use line of regression y on x. If we choose a is independent and y is dependent, we use line of regression x on y, and solve it in similar way as previous questions, and putting these equations in values in b y x and y bar in y, we find the required equation, put the value of x is 37, we get the marks of given by judge B. This is the application of regression analysis. Okay, thank you.